Hello, and welcome to the virtual open house for computer science at LaSalle University. Students who choose to major in computer science can either pursue a track that leads to a Bachelor of Arts or another track that leads to a Bachelor of Science in computer science. These two programs share a large amount of coursework, courses in programming such as JavaScript or Java, our database courses in SQL, computer architecture and computer electronics, a full year of discrete math course, and an introductory course in computer networks. In the senior year, both of these programs have a year-long capstone course that focuses on software engineering and project development, where students work on a year-long project in teams, usually of about 3 students. The Bachelor of Science program focuses on the theoretical aspects of computer science. Students in this program take courses in theory of algorithms, language theory, and operating systems. Students in the Bachelor of Arts program will be required to take one of these 3 courses and may take the other 2 as electives. Students in the Bachelor of Science program have a heavier mathematics and physics requirement than those in the Bachelor of Arts. Students in the Bachelor of Science program take a full year of calculus, or they take a semester of linear algebra or statistics in place of a second semester of calculus. Students in the Bachelor of Science program often pursue a minor and sometimes a second major in mathematics, given the coursework in mathematics that already exists in the program. Students who are interested in going on to computer science in graduate school are strongly advised to do at least a minor in mathematics. Our Bachelor of Arts program in computer science focuses on the practical aspects of computer science while introducing students to some of the theoretical side of the field. Courses that are required of the Bachelor of Arts program include .NET programming, open source programming, and mobile computing, with elective courses in artificial intelligence and data mining. Students in the Bachelor of Science program often take one or more of these courses as electives for their major as well. The Bachelor of Arts program requires 2 additional business courses. These help round out a student's program and help them with their transition into a career after graduation. Many students in the Bachelor of Arts program pursue a minor or a second major in information technology. Due to the overlap in coursework between these 2 majors, the programs synergize well, and a student is able to complete this dual major within their 4 years. Our computer science graduates go on to have careers as software engineers, software developers, full stack developers, web developers, and database administrators. These jobs are in high demand and they offer strong salary opportunity. Career exploration is aided by members of our Computer Science Advisory Board, which is made up from leaders in business and industry across the Philadelphia region. These folks offer their mentoring services to our students when it comes to things such as networking and interviewing skills and resume writing. We also offer a 1-credit course, often taken during the junior or senior year, for preparing for careers in technology, where many of these ideas about searching for a job are formally introduced to our students. Several of our graduates have pursued a PhD in computer science, and many of our students have gone on to earn master's degrees in the field. Within the department, we offer several co-curricular activities, including a strong undergraduate research program that students typically pursue during the summer months through a grant from the School of Arts and Sciences at the university. Our students participate regularly in team programming competitions and hackathons, some of which are regional and others of which are national in scope, and our teams have fared very well in these competitions in recent years. We also have an active computer science student organization, as well as membership in the National Computer Science Honor Society, UPE. If you're interested in discussing our programs or visiting our department to sit in on a class or talk to faculty or students, please do not hesitate to contact us via email or through phone at the information given on the screen. Thank you very much for your interest in our programs.